Continuing the Abdullah Yusuf Ali translation of the Holy Quran with Suwrah 2 Attakwiyr, the folding up. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, when the sun, with its spacious light, is folded up, when the stars fall, losing their luster, when the mountains vanish like a mirage, when the she-camels 10 months with young are left unattended, when the wild beasts are herded together in human habitations, when the oceans boil over with a swell, when the souls are sorted out, be joyed with like, when the female infant buried alive is questioned for what crime she was killed, when the scrolls are laid open, when the world on high is unveiled, when the blazing fire is kindled to fierce heat, and when the garden is brought near, then shall each know what it has put forward. So verily I call to witness the planets that recede, go straight or hide, and the night as it dissipates, and the dawn as it breathes away the darkness. Verily this is the word of a most honorable messenger, endued with power, with rank before the Lord of the throne, with authority there, and faithful to his trust. And, O people, your companion is not one possessed, and without doubt he saw him in the clear horizon, neither doth he withhold grudgingly a knowledge of the unseen, nor is it the word of an evil spirit accursed. Then, whither go ye? Verily, this is no less than a message to the worlds with profit to whoever among you wills to go straight, but ye shall not will except as God wills, the cherisher of the worlds. And remember, of course, I'm saying God because Allah is the singular and definitive of the word God here.